Good morning. My name is Abhay Prajapati and I am from class 10C. The subject is mathematics and the topic which I am going to discuss in the art integration project is comparison between COVID cases situations among Maharashtra and Odisha using graphs. The cases of COVID-19 pandemic are increasing day by day. India is also part of the worst affected countries. The state of Maharashtra has the most number of cases all over the Indian subcontinent. However, if we see the COVID cases in Odisha, then we can see a better condition out there. Let's compare the COVID situation in Maharashtra with that of Odisha. Bar graph for comparison. Information of the graph. Confirmed cases Maharashtra 907k, Odisha 124k. Active cases Maharashtra 2,36,396, Odisha 27,090. Recovered cases 644k, Maharashtra 97,364 in Odisha. Deceased cases or the death cases Maharashtra 26,604 while in Odisha 546. So let's see the graph. In the graph we see that the Maharashtra is at a very high level while Odisha is low. From the graph it is clearly visible that the COVID situation is very bad in Maharashtra as compared to Odisha. Informative description of graph. From the graph we can clearly notice that the situation of COVID-19 is worse in Maharashtra in comparison to Odisha. Actually the difference is huge among the compared states where the confirmed cases in Maharashtra are 907k. The cases in Odisha go as low as 124k. Similar difference can be noticed in the number of active cases, recovered cases and deceased cases. This was all about the graph. The graph from the graph this is noticeable because because in Maharashtra rich cities like Mumbai, Pune are present. While in Odisha only Bhubaneswar we can see that somehow it is a popular city, but Maharashtra consists of many popular cities. That's why the COVID has been increasing day by day faster in Maharashtra as compared to Odisha. There may be one more reason out there, which is the labor force. Finally, I would like to thank everyone and request everyone to stay home and stay safe.